Hi friends, welcome back to John Drinks. Christmas is right around the corner and I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes around this time of year. It is called the Christmas in Kentucky. Now this recipe is actually a feature cocktail on Chop's Steakhouse and Bar's feature Christmas menu. I used to work there and I used to love these. Last Christmas season when I was spending the holidays at my fiance's in Germany and I didn't have my home bar, I actually picked up just 3 bottles. I bought a bottle of bourbon, bottle of triple sec, and a bottle of creme de cacao, some mandarin orange, and made some brown sugar syrup. And I was making these every single day, straight through Christmas to New Year's. And now that it's almost Christmas season again, I'm ready to start making them some more. For my bottle of bourbon, I'm going to be going with Old Grandad High Rye Mash Bill 100 proof bourbon. Now it very is much like a bourbon, but it's almost borderline rye-ish. Like it has a little bit of that spicy notes, and I think that's gonna go super well in this drink. Instead of triple sec, I'm gonna be using cointrau this year around. I just over the past year, I've just found that it's just a nicer quality orange liqueur, and I think it'll taste delicious in this. And some good old creme de cacao. Let's make a Christmas in Kentucky. Now, the first thing the recipe calls for is 3 wedges of mandarin orange. So 1, 2, and 3. Next, we want 1/4 ounce of brown sugar syrup or demerara syrup. After that, 2 dashes of angostura bitters and 2 dashes of orange bitters. We want to muddle up the oranges and get all that juice out. And this one, I really like to give it a hard muddle. Like, I want to get as much juice as I can out. Like, I just want to pulverize this. After that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of creme de cacao, 1/2 ounce of cointrau, and 1.5 full ounces of your bourbon of choice. Then next, let's add some ice and give that a spin. Next, let's get a rocks glass with some fresh ice, and we're going to strain all of that over. Now for garnish, you would typically do a creme brulee orange slice. You would get like an orange slice and have like a little stand and put like cinnamon sugar powder over it and blowtorch it. I don't have the tools to do that, so I'm just gonna add an orange wedge and we're gonna pretend it's bruleed. And there is our Christmas in Kentucky. And that is our Christmas in Kentucky. Cheers. Wow. It's a very sweet drink. But you get so many notes of orange, chocolate, and smoky bourbon. And I don't have a cinnamon brulee orange slice on here, but when you do have that, it just smells amazing in the air. Yeah, chocolates and orange is always 2 of the flavors I associate so much with the Christmas season. Like, I will go through a couple pounds of mandarin oranges just while on holidays. That and all the gifts of chocolate. It's very sweet, so anybody can enjoy this, whether you like strong drinks or fruity drinks. This sort of hits the palate on both sides. Anyways, that is the Christmas in Kentucky. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe, and until next time, cheers!